Hi, I'm Lauren Portalea. I grew up in Montgomery County, Maryland, where I loved reading. Growing up each night before I went to bed, my parents would read my sister and I stories. I loved going to my local library and picking out stories to read. During the summer, I'd sign up for the summer reading programs that if you fulfilled certain guidelines, you'd receive different prizes. I absolutely loved it. I made a point each summer to sign up for the programs in both Montgomery County and Howard County just so I can get a ton of prizes. One story I was absolutely obsessed with was Amelia Bedelia. Amelia Bedelia was a series about a lady who took everything literally and made a complete mess out of fairly simple tasks. My favorite Amelia Bedelia story was when she became a maid. Each day, the couple she worked for, Mr. and Mrs. Rogers, would leave her a list of chores to do around the house. One of my favorite tasks she did was when she was instructed to dust the furniture. Amelia Bedelia took everything so literally. Instead of cleaning the house, she thought Mr. and Mrs. Rogers wanted her to put dust on the furniture. Later, the list had Amelia Bedelia draw the drapes when the sun came in. Instead of closing the drapes to stop the sun from fading the furniture, Amelia Bedelia literally drew a picture of the drapes. When Mr. and Mrs. Rogers returned for the day, they were infuriated that Amelia Bedelia did not correctly do any of the chores they left for her. I thought Amelia Bedelia was hilarious. I could never wait to see what crazy things she would think of next. I saw Amelia Bedelia as a mirror into my own life because just like her, I tried helping out around the house and cleaning, but I could never do things just right. When I began reading Amelia Bedelia, I was around the age of 3 and read it continuously until I was 6. One fond memory of reading Amelia Bedelia was after I read it hundreds of times, I began memorizing it. There was a section in the book written in cursive, and I was so proud of myself for learning to read in cursive before anyone my age and before my older sister. But in reality, I had just memorized a few sentences. Another one of my favorite stories in the Amelia Bedelia series was Amelia Bedelia's first day of school. The night before my older sister began school, my mom read us this story, snuggled safely in bed. As I was too young to go to school on my own, I dreamed of going to school the next day, just like Amelia Bedelia. The next morning, I walked to the bus stop with my dad and my sister and waited for the bus. When I learned I wasn't allowed to get on the bus and go to school with my sister, I cried for hours since I wanted to be just like the big kids and Amelia Bedelia. I hope that when I become a teacher, I can teach kids to love reading, just as I did as a kid.